Hey beautiful people, this is Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I apply my mascara. I've had many people in the past ask me whether I wear falsies and what type of mascara I use. So I figured today would be a great day to do a tutorial on the way I apply my mascara. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so the only things that you will need for this is going to be a spoolie, a Q-tip or two, and my favorite of all times mascara, which is the Telescopic by L'Oreal, and it is in the color Carbon Black. And it is probably like the best mascara that's out there. No kidding. I've been using this for years and years and years, and I've yet to find a mascara that's better than this. I used to wear expensive mascaras, but I didn't like them that much, to be honest with you. The reason I like this one so much is because when you open it, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what the brush looks like. It's really like the bristles are more like a comb. That's what I love about it. It is so awesome. Literally, when you apply your mascara, it's like you're combing through your lashes. So your lashes look long and separated, and that's what I love about it. Anyway, so let's get started, okay? So the first thing that I usually like to do is I like to brush out my eyelashes to make sure that, you know, they're nice and separated with a spoolie. Alright, so we're only going to apply the mascara to the tip of our eyelashes, and we're going to do 3 total coats of mascara on our eyelashes. Alright, so personally I like to do my lower lashes as well. Of course you can skip this part if you don't really like mascara on the bottom lashes, but I do. So I always apply it and then go back to the top lashes. Okay, so now that we've applied a layer 1, we're going to wait it out until it's nice and semi-dry. And what I usually do when I wait around for my mascara to dry out, I usually grab this guy right here and start plucking my eyebrows where I see little hairs growing out. It's just basically to kill time. So, you know, do whatever you need to do. You can do your lipstick or whatever you're doing. But once it's dried out a little bit, I go back in and then I start applying midway of my lashes and up. Again, we're just going to dip it once into the tube. And guys, make sure that you don't go in and out of your tube, because when you do, it actually dries out your mascara and you don't want that. Guys, so I have a question for you all. Who makes funny faces when they apply mascara? I know I do. I open my mouth super wide. I don't know why I do that, but I make the funniest faces. If you make funny faces, okay, comment down below. We're going to let it dry a little bit, and then we'll go back and apply the third layer. I totally need to do my roots. They look crazy, but please don't mind them. Okay, I would say that we're ready for our third and final layer. And now we're going to want to make sure that we're applying it from the roots and up. Now we're going to do the final layer on the left side. And again, don't forget to start from the roots, go up. So now we've completed all layers of our mascara. So the only thing that's left to do is to grab our Q-tip and start getting rid of all the messes that we've made throughout the whole process. And I see that there's some here. And typically when it's dried out, it's a lot easier to remove. Otherwise you have to kind of wetten your Q-tip. Okay, so this is it. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a lot of other videos coming up on a lot of different makeup looks. Again, I thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.